All right, this is going to be our wrap-up video. Wright liquor. Still got a few things up on the roof. We're getting wrapped up, but wanted to start over here with the parapet wall we did not do. And if you remember, we had a cinder block wall. You can see where it's been flashed in with roof cement. It looks like some fabric in there. It's had a lot of leak issues. We've had a lot of moisture in beside the building. This was the wall we were not scheduled to do. The other wall was giving them the most problem. That's what they wanted to elected to do. So I want to show you an after here on the wall. We still don't have some things on we'd like to get into, but this is a new wall. If you remember the previous video, we foam flashed this all the way in. You can see the edge. Let me show you. There's brick right there. You can actually see the brick line slightly. Now all that is filled in with foam. Turn that down so it's about a foot away from the wall, and then we came in and we coated it white to protect it. So you can see our wall there. Remember back in here we had leaks all the way through that wall, but in here particularly back there, and then we had 2 or 3 leaks coming in. We filled that whole thing in, and now there's nowhere for that water to get in all the way down. Also, where this building transitions, I believe there were 3 leaks, one right in the corner, one about right here, and one right in this area. And then finally over here, you can actually still see our X's. We had a leak right there, which was coming from the right up under that wall. And then a leak here that was running on some plywood. And it was coming around this flashing right here. So we went ahead and built this flashing up all the way. We foamed up under this entire area right there, and we've now coated the whole thing. So all the penetrations that we could, we went ahead and foam flashed in. We built this one up with a seam sealer. It just had too much moisture on it to apply the foam. You can see this one here. And then you can kind of see up around the front here. We flashed this whole thing in all the way across the front wall. Now, we have some issues on the eave where those shingles meet. That's pretty rotted out. They don't have the budget to fix it at this point. We'll just try to extend the life as long as we could. So that'll have to be addressed. But you can see we built that corner up so there's no cement in there to collect. And then you come back here, we worked around all these. Took care of this. This is where that sewer pipe or that gas pipe turns in. We're taking care of that. Hopefully at some point we can do a new roof where we can get those raised. All these things would be nice if we could get them on roofs. And we came in here, we had a leak in the corner right here. So we've sealed and taken care of that. So that's just kind of a finished view of Wright liquor.